But in this video, we're going to have different givens. And first, I'm going to go over the definition of the slope formula, and then we're going to go into our examples. So the slope formula is simply the change of y over the change in x. So if we look over here, it's simply y2 minus y1, so that gives you your vertical change, and x2 minus x1, and that gives you your horizontal change. So rise over run. Same idea. So in this example, we're going to find the slope-intercept equation and graph it, and we're given 2 points that are on the line. So we're going to start off by labeling x1, y1, x2, y2. And you want to label them because it's very easy to mix up when you're substituting. So when we're substituting in, we're going to start with y2, which is positive 3, minus y1, which is negative 3, all divided by x2, which is negative 2, minus x1, which is negative 1. And now, keeping track of our signs, this changes to 3 plus 3 over negative 2 plus 1, and ultimately 6 over negative 1. Or we could also call it negative 6. So we have our slope, but now what in the world is our y-intercept? So let's give ourselves a little more room. M is equal to negative 6. And to find b, what we're going to use is we're going to use our slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. And we're just going to plug in everything that we know. And so I'm going to use y1 and x1 and substitute into y and x, and also substitute m, which just leaves b as our unknown. And you could also use x2 and y2. So we have negative 3 is equal to m. And now solving this for b, we get negative 3 is equal to positive 6 plus b minus 6 on both sides. And we get negative 9 is equal to b. So I'm going to bring that up here. b is equal to negative 9. And now we rewrite our formula. Y is equal to mx plus b. And we substitute in our slope and y-intercept. Negative 6x minus 9. Now I can graph it. So go to negative 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we have a slope of negative 6 over 1. And a little trick with this is that since we don't have 6 units down, we can look at this instead as 6 over negative 1. So we have a positive rise, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and a negative run. So that means going left 1. And now when we connect the dots, we get the line something like that. And there you go.